A company by the name of Uhuru reached out to me and asked if I wanted to take a look at their brand new products. Given that their product in question was a microphone kit of sorts, and I happened to be needing some improvement in the audio department, I couldn't pass up the offer. Today, I'll be taking a quick look at their wireless microphone kit and finding out how good it sounds. The WM720 isn't so much for gaming, though you could technically use it for such, but rather for lecturing or content creation. As you'll see in a moment, this kit includes 3 different microphones for different purposes. Opening up the box reveals a case housing the kit, and inside you'll find some paperwork which I'll come back to in a second. Tossing that to the side now reveals the wireless transmitter, a mini tripod and mounting hardware to mount the receiver, and the receiver itself. In the other part of this travel case houses the handheld microphone, some TRS adapters, the headset microphone, a lavalier mic, another TRS adapter, and the charging cable. You can connect the receiver to devices like an amplifier, a PA system, a camera, a phone, or a computer. I plan on using the handheld mic mostly, so let's get this set up and see how it works. To use the receiver with your phone, make sure you use the TRS adapter labeled phone, as the one for a regular camera won't work. Anyways, setup is easy and you don't need any special software. Just install a mic of choice into the transmitter and secure it into place. Plug in the receiver using a TRS adapter if needed, and plug it into whatever device you plan to record from. From there, once both the transmitter and receiver are both powered on, they'll automatically connect and will be ready for use. On the transmitter, you have buttons to adjust the volume level 1 through 5, and the display shows connection strength, battery level, and the frequency range being used. The overall build of everything that's included in this kit is very solid. It would have been nice to see braided cables on the adapters and microphones, but this isn't an issue at all. The tripod that's included is reasonably sturdy and again, easy to put together. The idea is that the receiver is mounted on top of your phone or camera, while the transmitter is connected to one of the microphones as you record. I had my doubts that any of the microphones would work on a phone, but to my surprise, even on a device with a relatively basic recording app, it detected the receiver with no issue. Speaking of recording, let's have a listen. This is a quick test recording of the Uhuru wireless microphone kit. I'm using the handheld mic that plugs directly into the unit, and I have the volume set to about 3. And that's a decent sweet spot, but I'm using the Dolby On app on my LG G6 to record, and my recording environment is relatively quiet. Hopefully this sounds pretty decent, though in my testing there is minimal static, so I have pretty decent expectations for the other 2 microphones. I'm very impressed with the audio coming from these microphones. Even at higher levels, the audio didn't seem too distorted. Static was also very minimal if any, though that could vary depending on the device being used for recording. Battery life shouldn't be much of an issue, and it's rated for 6 hours on a single charge. I personally don't usually use a microphone for more than an hour or so in one sitting, but I'll have to test the battery life at another time. I didn't really test the range to its fullest, but the product page says it has a maximum range of 165 feet. As you can see, I am outside. I have the clip-on microphone, and there might be some background noise of course, but I think in terms of signal, it doesn't lose too much signal whenever you're further away. I'm definitely not 165 feet away, but I'm just in my backyard. I have the receiver plugged into my PC, so yeah, if you're in a situation where you have to be far away from the mic and receiver, this will definitely work fine. For 60 bucks, and maybe even closer to 40 with a coupon, the Uhuru wireless microphone kit offers a lot of functionality without breaking the bank. The audio and build quality are very solid, and even without any special audio interface, the microphones sound great. If you want a microphone for your creative endeavors, but maybe need some more flexibility that a traditional condenser mic doesn't offer, the Uhuru WM720 wireless microphone kit is a solid choice. If you're interested in picking this kit up, I'll put buying links in the video description. Anyways guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, and make sure you're subscribed and have notifications enabled for more quality tech videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.